Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm an Agile coach and a Scrum Master. Today I'll share an exercise called Constellations, and I hope that if you like these videos that you'll subscribe and share. That would be super awesome. The constellation exercise is a great way to get a group or a team started on some, at first, silent reflection and then doing some debriefing. The idea is actually quite simple, but in this exercise it's quite good to have a third-party facilitator or neutral facilitator and then help draw out patterns in the group. How are we feeling on different questions? So the idea is quite simple. You have the center of the universe here, in the center of the room, and then you ask something, a loaded question. Like, we are always working on what is most important. And the people that feel drawn to this prompt, that this is the truth, this is also how they're seeing it, they move closer to the center, and if you disagree with it, you move more towards the wall. And in this way we can start to see how people are standing, and just silently, and everybody moves at once, so it's not like you stand, oh, he's standing there, then I need to go here. So everybody moves at once, and then you stand where you feel comfortable. And then, depending on the level of psychological safety in the group, it can be quite interesting to hear some of those closest to the center and maybe also some of those farthest away from the center. And if you have time, also someone in between. And then you ask the next prompt, which could be, I believe that we work well as a team, for instance, or whatever prompts, whatever thing you would like the team or the group to reflect upon. This constellations exercise is a bit, it reminds also of the scaling exercise from solution-focused coaching. So I can also recommend, if you like constellations, then also check out the scaling exercise from solution-focused coaching. I've also made a video on that. So just to recap, ask the prompt, people move, and then you do a debrief, and then you continue for as many questions as you see fit. And that was it. I'm hoping that some of you will maybe share what prompts have you used, or have you used Constellations or some other version of it. And then, as always, comments, questions, ideas and feedback is more than welcome. Have a super awesome day.